Hey guys, welcome to Behind the Page. I just wanted to show a little bit of this cute little gecko. One of my favorite things to draw lately are geckos. They're just really cute. They have very expressive faces, and they're actually kind of difficult to draw because they have such wide, kind of flat sort of heads, sort of a mix between a snake and a frog and a turtle, all of which are my favorite types of creatures. Anyone that knows me knows I love reptiles. I love amphibians. I did go camping this past summer and the summer before, and I love to find salamanders and newts, frogs, turtles. I didn't see any turtles when I was younger. I used to see a lot of turtles, but these guys are really fun. There's a lot of I know when I'm doing it really well when they start to sort of remind me of Bruni and sort of have that Bruni look from what is that, Frozen, I think the second one. I actually never saw the movie, but I know the character because he's adorable. But he's so simple, and these guys are kind of complicated, but I know it's looking good when it starts to get really cute. The way that Bruni is really cute as well. The side view is a bit difficult. Sometimes, it just takes me a little while to sort of warm up to the shapes, and, I almost have to figure it all out, when I get back into a drawing and I start sketching and things like that. This is supposed to be a relaxing video, but hopefully you can hear the printer that has come on in the background. We have a very loud, very disruptive printer, but that's okay. My fiance's in law school, so she has to print a lot of stuff, so I can't hate on the printer. I myself do not have the intellect to go to law school, or survive in law school, I should say. I have the intellect to focus on drawing for hours at a time, even when people are watching virtually, but I think my school days are done, unless I'm teaching, of course. But these are the finished, these are the end little guys, and I'll post them on Instagram probably tomorrow. Alright, love you guys. Thanks so much for coming by and hanging by the page. We'll chat soon. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate you. Be sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at DrugFreeDave. And don't forget to join my private Facebook group, Procreate Tutorials and Guidance. Check me out on Facebook. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon. And as always, keep drawing, and I'll see you in the next video.